We're here at the Roche Harbor Rendezvous, day 2. Lots of fun on the docks, boats are getting decorated. Thanks to Garmin for the seminar today. Women in Boating, Olinda, you rocked it. Cruise to Alaska seminar. Crabbing, fishing. Karsten, nice job. Saw an 8-pound, 8-ounce coho weighed in today. Let's keep it going. We had Neil proposing. Margarita Bob, happy hour. We miss you, buddy. Felt your presence here. Love you. Tomorrow we've got Women in Boating continued, so if you missed today, come on out tomorrow. Linda's here. She's going to talk about how to handle the boat and get out there on the water. Scavenger hunt update. 24 people have found all the items. Mystery creature found today. But there's still time to get out there and get your points so you can get into the drawing for prizes tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow on the lawn we've got Undersea Happy Hour. Make sure you're dressed up in your best costume. I know I will be. And after our dinner tomorrow night, we're going to have the Grand Championship for the Cornhole Tournament. And that's when we're going to definitely take John and Andrew down. So I need you there. Let's do this. They're going down tomorrow. Great day today. We had so much fun. Looking forward to tomorrow. Day 2 in the books.